Alright, good day guys, welcome to GJ's Academy, and our topic for today is on Venn diagram. So, like I said from our previous video that we will be solving few questions for today so that you guys can understand what I'm trying to talk about on Venn diagram. So this is the first question and here it goes. It says, in a class, 60 students took mathematics, 30 students took physics, that is physics is equal to what? 30. And we are told that 70 students were enrolled for both subjects. That is M intersection what? P is equal to what? 17. So we are now have to look for what? The universal set. That is the sum of all. So if you want to solve a question like this is how it goes. So our universal set is what? Cardinality of M plus n of the cardinality of P minus n of the cardinality of M intersection P. So cardinality of M is 60 plus cardinality of what? P is what? 30 minus cardinality of C is 17. Therefore, our universal set is equal to what? 60 plus 30 is 90. 90 minus 17 is what? 73. Therefore, this is our universal set. But if we are to represent it in, if you are to represent it using a Venn diagram, therefore, our universal set is unknown. Then we draw two circles because it consists of what? Two variables. I want you guys to know that this only applies to us, the one that has neither nor. So this is our mass, this is our physics. Our mass is equal to 60. Our physics is equal to what? 30. And we're told that our M intersection P is 17. So in order to get our math only and physics only, this will be 60 minus 17. And that will be what? 43. 30 minus 17 gives us 13. So now to get our universal set is the sum of all. That is, if we shade all. So if you shade all, then you'll be left with what? 43 plus 17 plus 13. And that will still give us what? 73. So therefore, our universal set here is 73. Do you understand? Now let's move to the next question. And the next question goes to us. In a class of 52 students. So therefore here we are giving our universal set 52 students. We are told that 20 play football. 20 play football. 16 students play hockey. 16 students play hockey. It is found that 10 students play both. 10 students play both. So we're now told to find those that play neither. So if you are looking for neither, that will be what? F union not H comp prime. So we are told to look for this. Now if you are to solve this using or without our Venn diagram, from our previous question, this is our standard formula, but if we are to add neither nor, then it will be plus n over what? M union what? P prime. So let us solve this. That is 52 is equal to our football plus, let us represent this with x. So this is our football plus what? Hockey minus 10 plus what? Let's represent this with x. So this is what? 5, this is 36. So this will give us to 26 plus x is equal to 52. So if you collect like times, therefore our x is equal to 52 minus what? 26. This will still give us 26. But if you are to represent this using a Venn diagram, then our universal set is 52. Then let's draw our two circles. So this here represents our neither nor. Are you with me? This is our football and this is our what? Hockey. So we're told that the intersection of both is 10. Our football here is 20. Our hockey here is what? 26. Sorry, 16. So to get our football only is 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10 because of the sum of this will give us 20. So that's what? 10. 16 minus 10 is what? 6. So now this is our missing figure. Because to get our universal set, we have to shade what? All. So now you get what I'm trying to talk about. So this is what? Our universal set is 52. Is equals to what? 10 plus 10 plus 6 plus what? X. So we include this. We will still arrive at the same answer. So I was giving you guys this. Also, it might be in a scenario whereby you need to be fast. You need to solve fast. So that's why I gave you this. But for those solving it using theoretical aspects, this is how you will be solving it. So this will be 52 is equal to what? 26 plus x. Therefore, x is equal to 52 minus 26. 60 equals to what? 26. So are you with me? The next question. Good. In a class of test of 45 students, in a class test of 45 students, 23 passed the first paper. So the first paper, let me represent that with F. And we're told that it's 23. 15 passed the first paper, but not passed the second paper. So this is like first only. So I present the second with this. And that is what? 15. So the Venn diagram is about understanding it. Using set theory results, find the number of students who passed in the both paper and who passed in the second paper but not in the first. Alright, so this is what they are talking about. So our second paper here is unknown, and our second only, that is also unknown. So how do we solve questions like this? Alright, so this is how it will go. Let's draw our two circles. So this is our universal set 45. This is our first paper. This is our what? Second paper. And the requirement is to find our second paper and second paper only. I've interpreted this in our first video. So our first paper here is what? 23. And our first paper only, so this means this region here is what? 15. Note, to get our first paper, it comprises of what? 15 plus F intersection S. So to get our intersection here, it will be what? 23 minus what? 15. And that will give us what? 8. So F intersection S is equal to what? 8. So if you have gotten F intersection S, therefore we can make use of this to get our what? S. So let's represent this with what? S. Since in the question we are not given neither, so therefore our universal set or the union of F union S is equal to what? Our universal set. Therefore our universal set is equal to F union S. Are you with me? So to get this, we have to shade all must be equals to this. So this is 45 is equals to our F only is what? 15 plus 8 plus what? X. So 15 plus 8 will give us what? 23 plus what? X is equals to 45. So collecting like things, our X is equal to what? 45 minus 23. And that will give us what? 22. So if this is 22, then how many people pass our second paper? So for those that pass our second paper only are 22. But those that pass the second paper now will be equal to what? 22 plus what? 8. And that will be what? 30. 22 plus 8 is 30. So those are the total number of people that got what? Our second paper. Hope you guys understand. And let me go through it again. Find the number of students who passed both paper, which is 8. The 8 are people that have passed both paper. and who passed second paper only. So actually they didn't ask for second paper, but they asked for second paper only. But I decided to explain you guys to do. Are you guys listening? So for this next one, it is similar to this first one. So I'll be leaving it for you guys to solve it. But then I'll be solving this last one. In a class test of 70 students, let me be making use of this. So I'm sure you guys must have noticed how I am interpreting this. So in a class of 30 students, that is our universal set. Oh, sorry, 70 students. 23 and 30 pass maths and statistics respectively. So maths is equals to what? 23. Statistics is equals to what? 30. And 15 passed in mathematics only. So it is mathematics only. I already taught you guys how to do this. M intersection S prime. That's how many? 15. 50 passed maths only. Using the results, find the number of students who passed in both subjects and who did not pass in both subjects. Wow, so this is quite different from the one I was doing before. Alright, let's present this in Venn diagram. Let's draw a circle and the other circle. So this is mathematics, this is statistics. Statistics is 30, mathematics is what? 33. And mathematics only is what? 15. So we were not told how to get our M intersection S and S only, which is our statistics only. So from what we did here, we should know that to get our intersection here should be 23 minus 15, and that would be what? 8. Is this a coincidence? Okay, let's see how this goes. So this is looking like, oh sorry, our universal set here is 70. Alright, so we have gotten our intersection. Now to get those that pass in statistics only. So let's get the number of those that pass in statistics only. So for this question, there's an hidden question inside because we are told to find the number of students who did not pass in both subjects. So this is how we are going to do it. But first, let's get our what? Statistics, those that pass in statistics but not in math. So that will be 30 minus 8. This will give us 22. So now the next question now goes to us. Using the set theory, find the number of students who passed in both subjects, which is this, done, and who did not pass in both subjects. So for those that did not pass in both subjects, it will be what? We shade this region and what? This region and the rest, but there's nothing more to shade there because there's no need now. So it will be left over like this, and that will be what? 15 plus what? 22. 15 plus 22 give us what? 37. So 37 students did not pass both subjects. Yeah. So 37 students did not pass both subjects. Thank you very much for staying with me up to this point. I really appreciate you guys' love and concern for us. Thank you very much. You can kindly share this video with your friends. Like and hit the subscription button. Turn on the notification bell. See you in our next class. Thank you.